Is it possible? I know that Lawrence Krauss, whom you've had interactions with, he says in his book that every cause must be a material cause, right? Now, if that's the case, wouldn't his own thinking be suspect? Because if every thought he has is completely the result of the laws of physics, why should he believe his thoughts are true?
That gets into the broader question of mind-body dualism, and I think you're quite right. If every cause is a physical cause, then even your thoughts are simply physically determined by prior brain states, and your rational thinking and deliberation has no effect whatsoever upon future brain states. And so it really does tend to be very self-defeating to affirm this kind of naturalistic, materialist theory of mind.